A toilet here, and what's happening is the water keeps leaving the tank, and then every once in a while, like once or twice a day, it'll just all of a sudden start filling again because it's drained too much. Inside the toilet bowl here, you can see there's like a current of water constantly running down into this toilet. So we're gonna open up the top, so we're gonna remove this lid and then set this somewhere like on a towel so it doesn't get damaged. We're gonna look here to see if we have water coming over our overflow, which we don't. And if we did, we would hear this would just continue to run. So this is gonna deal with that flapper. So before we get started, we need to turn the water off. So that's right behind the toilet. We're just gonna turn this off. Once that's off, we're just gonna flush the toilet and let the water drain out. Now that that's off, we're gonna disconnect this chain. After we remove that, we're gonna disconnect the flaps to the flapper. And now we've removed that flapper. Get a towel next, and we're gonna wipe this with a towel just to make sure we have any of the corrosion off of there. Now when you go to the store, there'll be universal ones. You might find one that's very similar to yours as well. My parents, for some reason, have 6 of these. This is the one that ended up working. But all I have to do is pop this circle off, and then with that popped off, then this will just pop into place. I'm gonna turn the water on. We're gonna fill this up. Now that the new flapper's on, you don't hear any water dribbling down the side. Hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe.